A church can have multiple administrators on circles. This provides oversight and easy tracking of church activities. Users are added by clicking the Users tab. This displays a page with the following details: the username, name, branch, role, phone number, and status. To add a new user, click on the Add button at the top right corner of the screen. This displays a modal with the following information: the name, email, phone number, username for login purposes, and the user's role. There are two roles mainly specified for each user: branch admin and organization admin. If the user is created as a branch admin, you can select the specific branch for the user. However, if you decide to create a user as an organization admin, you have an option to select the various options provided from the drop-down.